Welcome to the Health Boost Show, where we embark on a journey toward better health, wellness, and vitality. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's become a staple for fitness enthusiasts, athletes, and health-conscious individuals alike: protein powders. Navigating the world of protein powders can be overwhelming, with a plethora of options that flood the market, each boasting unique benefits, flavors, and ingredients. Our mission today is to help you understand the nuances of protein powders, their benefits, the differences between types, and how you can choose the best one to suit your individual health goals. So, settle in and let's dive right in. Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and supporting overall bodily functions. When it comes to fitness and muscle building, protein is particularly important because it helps repair muscle damage caused by exercise, promotes muscle growth, and supports recovery. While it's always best to get your nutrients, including protein, from whole food sources like lean meats, eggs, dairy, legumes, and nuts, protein powders offer a convenient and sometimes necessary supplement, especially for those with increased protein needs or dietary restrictions. The allure of protein powders lies not only in their convenience, but also in their diverse forms and flavors, making it easier than ever to incorporate them into one's diet. However, with choices ranging from whey to plant-based options, finding the right powder can feel like solving a complex puzzle. First, let's break down the most common types of protein powders and what sets them apart. One of the most popular types of protein powder is whey protein, derived from milk. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein, and is also known for its quick absorption rate, which makes it a favored choice for post-workout recovery. Whey protein is available in 3 main forms: whey protein concentrate, whey protein isolate, and hydrolyzed whey protein. Whey protein concentrate typically contains 72% protein, with the remainder being lactose and fats, making it a great option for those who don't mind these additional components. Whey protein isolate, on the other hand, undergoes further processing to remove most of the fats and lactose, resulting in a purer protein with around 90% protein content. This makes it an excellent choice for those who are lactose intolerant. Hydrolyzed whey protein is processed even further to break down the peptide bonds of the protein, making it easier to digest and faster for the body to absorb. This option is often favored by athletes who need a quick protein boost after intense training. For those who adhere to a plant-based diet or have dairy allergies, plant-based protein powders offer an alternative. These powders are derived from various plant sources, such as peas, brown rice, hemp, and soy. Pea protein, for instance, is rich in essential amino acids, particularly arginine, which is known to support muscle growth and heart health. Brown rice protein is another popular choice, providing a good source of protein and fiber while being hypoallergenic. Hemp protein contains essential fatty acids, such as omega-3 and omega-6, alongside protein, adding an anti-inflammatory benefit. Whey protein is a complete protein that also contains nutrients like iron and calcium, making it a solid choice for those aiming to boost their nutrient intake. One of the main considerations when selecting a protein powder is understanding your dietary preferences and restrictions. For vegans, vegetarians, or individuals with lactose intolerance or milk allergies, plant-based or lactose-free options are the way to go. Additionally, those with sensitivities or allergies should read labels carefully, as some powders may contain common allergens like soy gluten or nuts. Another important factor is the intended use of the protein powder. Powder. If you're looking to build muscle and recover quickly after exhaustive workouts, you might want to consider fast-absorbing options like whey protein isolate or hydrolyzed whey protein. Conversely, if you're seeking to enhance your overall nutrition or manage your weight, plant-based proteins that provide added nutrients like fiber and healthy fats might be more suitable. The teaming of protein intake can also be pivotal in optimizing your goals. Consuming fast-digesting proteins like whey immediately after workouts can aid in muscle recovery and growth, whereas slow-digesting proteins like casein or those from plant sources can be consumed before bed to support muscle repair during sleep. Now, let's delve into the practicalities of incorporating protein powders into your routine. While protein shakes are perhaps the most well-known method of consumption, there's a world of creativity beyond simply mixing the powder with water or milk. You can add protein powder to smoothies, oatmeal, pancakes, or even baked goods to increase the protein content of your meals while enjoying a variety of flavors. The key is to experiment with different recipes and tailoring them to your taste and nutritional goals. It's essential to keep the principle of balance in mind. Relying too heavily on protein powders can overshadow the benefits of consuming whole foods, which offer a broader spectrum of nutrients than protein alone. Therefore, a well-rounded diet that incorporates a variety of protein sources can provide comprehensive health benefits, supporting not only your fitness goals, but also your overall well-being. Monitoring your protein intake is equally important. While protein is vital, consuming it in excessive amounts can strain the kidneys and alter metabolism, particularly in individuals with pre-existing conditions. Health authorities typically recommend that adults consume around 46 grams of protein per day, depending on their gender, activity level, and overall health, with an additional increment for those engaging in regular, intense exercise. Informed decision-making can be empowered by consulting healthcare professionals, nutritionists, or dietitians who can offer personalized guidance on how to integrate protein powders with your dietary habits. Understanding your body's unique needs and how best to meet them is essential in crafting a personalized approach to your health and fitness. As we begin to wrap up our exploration of protein powders, it's worth noting the importance of maintaining realistic expectations. While these powders can play a significant role in achieving specific health and fitness goals, they are not miracle solutions. A balanced approach that combines diet, exercise, and lifestyle will contribute significantly more to long-term health and wellness. Finally, remember that the journey towards health and fitness is deeply personal. What works for one person may not work for another. Thus, patience, experimentation, and diligence are key as you navigate the expansive world of protein powders. Test, observe, and tweak your approach according to how your body responds and celebrate the progress you make along the way. Thank you for joining me today on the Health Boost Show. I hope our discussion has shed some light on how to effectively navigate the world of protein powders. Stay healthy, stay informed, and join us again as we continue to explore topics that boost your health, well-being, and sense of empowerment in your fitness journey. Until next time, take care and keep boosting that health.